In the previous session, we have learned how to transform the row level data into column level data using the case statement. Now, let's learn how to do the same, but this time using the pivot analytical function. Okay, it is very easy using the pivot analytical function. Okay, you see here I am selecting all the columns from the sales table, those three columns, the sales month, the product ID and the total amount, and then here I am mentioning pivot and display the sum of total amount for each product ID listed here. That's it. It's so simple, right? Instead of writing all those 5 case statements, here you are mentioning pivot, the value which is sum of the total amount for the product ID in list of values. Okay, this will result in this result set for the given sales month, and for each product ID given in the list, the totals are displayed. Okay, now let's go and check the demo. So first let's select the columns we need. So we need sales month. So as sales month, and then we need product ID, and then we need total amount. From the sales table, let's use this like a subquery. Okay, so open the brackets and here select star from. So far what did we do? All we did was we selected the required columns from the sales table. Now we have to say pivot bracket start, and what do we want? We want sum of total amount by what? We want for the product IDs, right? So for product ID in and the list of values 100, 101, 105, 106, comma 200. Brackets close, one more bracket close. Okay, so now let's run this. You see, the row level data is transformed into column level. For each product ID which we have listed in the pivot clause, we are getting the totals by the sales month. Cool, right? So now if you want to sort by sales month, you can do order by sales month. Okay, that's it. It's sorted. See how simple it is to transform the row level data into column level using the pivot analytical function. Okay, going forward, whenever you have such a requirement, you need to use pivot function, and also this is much faster than your case statement. Okay.